We know that our security camera are recording inside NVR or DVR system because our system has internal hard disk drive. So in case nowadays the theft are also smart, when they come and thefting things, they also thefting or damaging the NVR or DVR system. So in this case, what we should do to secure our footage of security camera if the theft are thefting the camera or damaging our security system. So how we should protect this issue? We are taking our NVR or CCTV camera footage backup inside that FTP server. If our NVR fail, so we will have its backup inside FTP server. Overall, FTP is used for NVR system because it provides a secure, reliable and efficient method for storing, transferring and accessing video footage captured by the NVR. So now let's configure the FTP server for the Dahua NVR to collect its backup. We have many types of FTP server, but for the practical purpose, I have just configured the Serve U management console that is developed by WinSolar system, and this is its configuration. I have configured it previously. I will have detailed explain video in next video series. Here is the FTP server IP address. I just take this IP address and go to the NVR configuration page, came to the management icon, came to the storage server. Here you can see the FTP configuration page. In here we have two options. One is FTP or file transfer protocol and another is SFTP or secure file transfer protocol. This one is highly recommended for transferring file in a secure way, but for the practical purpose I'm just selecting the FTP one. First we have to enable this option. Here I have to enter the FTP IP address, port number 21 for FTP. If we would like to select SFTP, so we need to change from 21 to 22. Username that we have created inside FTP server, its password. Also we can identify its root path, and below here is the file size. Currently I'm letting it 0. This 0 means that it will send each clip or record in its default size. If you come to the basic, you can see the file length is 1024 megabit. We can change this file, or if we can change it to the file time, it means it will send each clip that is in 10 minutes, but I let them in default 1024 megabit or around 1 gigabit. So here if I change to 1024 megabit, or I can change it, but the 0 is default what is configured in the basic, it will send each clip as a default. Below that we are backing up all the channels, or if you would like to send a specific channels, then we will select that channel and we will record all the days. In the period we will configure for the triggers or SMD or smart motion detection as well as a regular, so we have to check this period. In the below section we are sending the image upload interval. It will send each image for this camera in 10 seconds. So this is the configuration. After we have configured, we just click OK and just test it if the FTP server is working or not. You can see that now our NVR system is connected with the FTP server. Let's see the share folder that it's have record or not. I just created the FTP server right here. You can see that record is already started, and if you would like to run some footage or image, you can see already the image is came to the share folder. So thereafter we will be able to have our backup of NVR footage inside our FTP server.